Now for the cool stuff on the 7.3 liter Power Stroke. We're going to do a few different things here. We're going to bore each cylinder and chamfer where the piston and piston ring are going to go in. We're going to also deck the engine block all in this machine. This is one of the final machining steps here. We are doing a vertical hone, or honing the cylinder walls of this 7.3 block, and we're doing it with diamond stones, which allows us to get the perfect finish so that the piston rings can seat correctly to those cylinder walls. We'll show you in another step how we align hone the main bores where the crankshaft goes. And then last but not least, we're going to show you how the 7.3 gets built. That'll be in another video.